Now, a Hutch's weather update with Chief Meteorologist Hutch Johnson, brought to you by Robert Gibb and Sons.
Hello everybody, it's Monday night. Showers and thunderstorms spreading across the valley. I have a quick radar update for you, and Sioux Falls area has an active tornado warning at this time. Make sure you drop me a note. Let me know where you're watching from if you have any questions. But the showers right now holding off to the west of the FM area, although we are seeing just a little bit of shower activity not far from Fargo. Are you seeing rain, and how much have you gotten so far? All right, let's take a look at that radar as we get right into the area. First and foremost, check this out. Down in the Sioux Falls area, these red boxes you see here by Sioux City, that's a tornado watch. Now, we talked last week about that risk of severe weather in our area. I don't think we're going to have a very good chance of that tonight in our area, but we do have one active tornado warning for the Sioux Falls area, just south and west of town. This was a Doppler radar indicated tornado as it's working its way to the north and east. So see a cluster of thunder shower activity making its way right through Sioux Falls, heading northeast at about 35 miles per hour. It's been very windy throughout the day as well. Latest update from the National Weather Service shows that that is a Doppler radar indicated tornado that is working its way toward the Larchwood area just to the southeast of Sioux Falls. Laverne, you're in the path of that storm. Now, gusty straight line winds may indeed be the main risk from these storms that have this backwards C shape here as they are becoming more linear as we go through the evening hours. Hi, good to have you on, Bernadine. And Nathan, good to talk to you once again as well. Let's take a look a little closer to our area, shall we? Watertown, showers and thunderstorms up towards Fargo. Let's go ahead and turn on our radar here so we can see what we have going on in and around the Mayville radar. And you'll see in Fargo, after a 76-degree day, a few sprinkles out near Sabin are pushing in towards Moorhead and south parts of the FM area. Hi, Alan. Are you getting any sprinkles in North Fargo? Thanks for joining Hutch's Weather this evening. It's a quick radar update to show you what we have going on as we loop this through the last couple of hours. Look at all the lightning by Hutch's shoulder here. I can almost feel the static cling in my clothing over here. Check it out. Moving from south to north, and again, those winds ripping with gusts over 40 miles per hour for some of us throughout the day today. From Watertown through Brown County and Aberdeen through Britain, South Dakota, we have showers and storms. Not too far from you in Oaks right now. Again, not severe, just some locally heavy rain from these pushing up through that Jamestown area, just off to the east of you folks in Ypsilanti, I should say west, and moving right through the Gackle area at this time. So taking a look at the Bismarck radar, these sneak all the way up in toward the Devil's Lake Basin. Maddock, you're likely going to see some showers of locally heavy rain making its way in as we go through the next bit of time. So scattered showers, rumbles of thunder that are continuing through this area. How much rain has fallen? Let me show you. Nancy, hello from Minto. Hi from Bagley. Kristen, it's always good to see you on board. Jeremy, good to have you. Will Fargo get anything? It's a tough call with thunderstorms. You know how one side of town can get a lot and the other side of town won't get much at all. Some of the models, if we believe them, have it kind of missing portions of the Red River Valley as this line here, this heavy pushes north, and then a line of strong thunderstorm activity in Watertown pushes this way. As Pedro says, right now he's down there looking at the weather map with me, and he's thinking that it's going to be more bark than bite for some of us. No pun intended? Oh, come on, I'm Hutch. There's always a pun intended. Okay, rainfall amounts as we take a look at the Doppler radar estimated rainfall for today across our area. And let's go ahead and look at the Mayville radar. Now, not all of us have gotten showers of rain, but we've seen that there was a little bit of activity moving through the Valley City area and points off to the east of you towards Findlay. As we take a look at the crosshairs behind my head, let me see if I can swing over. You see that in the green area, the radar is estimated anywhere from 1/3 of an inch to upwards of 7/10 of an inch of rain, maybe even 3/4 of an inch of rain for a few of you. Now, looking at the Bismarck area radar, we can show you that there was some estimates of heavy rainfall in portions of the Cheyenne River Valley, the Missouri River Valley. Check out Linton, Hazleton, Moffett, Braddock area here. Estimates of about upwards of 3/4 of an inch of rain for some folks in that neck of the woods as well. Heading up to the north in the Cheyenne area, Cheyenne County, Wells County near Harvey, we had about 1/4 of an inch estimated by the Doppler radar over here. So all in all, the rainfall is hit and miss, mainly out to the west, and there is a chance that Fargo sees some rain. But unfortunately, as meteorologists always say, there's only a chance, because as we take a look at the model real quickly on here, we'll show you the latest model. And again, these showers and storms, as we work our way through, are now focused out to the west. Putting this model into motion, let me put the time up at the top bar for you so you can follow along. Now, as we go through the late evening hours, 10 o'clock brings a better chance of rain making its way into the Fargo area. So between 10 o'clock and midnight, now this model is advertising, yep, we might see some good rain in parts of the FM area. This model is still coming in, and coming up shortly, I'll have an update for you. Let's go back to the last full model run that come in. And you can kind of see how the model moves it through Fargo, and then the heavier rain down in southern parts of Minnesota takes over, with just kind of hit and miss sprinkles in here for a while. So that kind of stretches out like a piece of taffy and misses some of the places that could have otherwise seen some soaking showers. Look where the soaking showers will be plentiful. We're talking about you in the big sky country of Montana, some in the oil patch. And really the big winners for our area look to be where the driest conditions are. That's northern North Dakota in the northwest portions of Minnesota. All right, that's a quick update of the radar. I will have your forecast update coming up soon, but I wanted to let you know we have a few sprinkles and sprinkles working their way in the FM area. Thunderstorms working their way out to the west of us. It will be moving in. The best chance of rain for Fargo, 8 p.m. actually now through midnight, but particularly 10 to midnight. Looks like it'll be rocking through our area. And if we have a chance of rain underneath the thunder showers, we'll have that locally heavier rainfall chance. So a couple of tornadoes today reported not far from the Belle Fourche area, as a matter of fact, as we went through the day. We'll have details on that. Join me for Hutch's weather if you don't mind.